Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to solve InstaOn Cloud CP Plus offline. Firstly, allow me to illustrate the issue at hand. Please right-click on the monitor screen and select Main Menu. Once inside, navigate to the Network and then proceed to InstaOn Cloud. Here, you can see that the InstaOn Cloud status is probing DNS, or we can say the status is offline. When we try open the CMOB 20 application to access the CP Plus device, there will be a message that says, Network error, please try again. To address this issue, please access the TCP IP menu. If we look here, the IP address is still the default one, which may not be on the same subnet as our network. To ensure that the DVR obtains an IP address on the same subnet as the modem router, please activate DHCP Enable, then click Apply and OK to save the configuration. Please go back to the network menu to check if the IP address has been updated. If not, please reboot the DVR first, then wait until the DVR turns on again. Once the DVR has finished restarting, right-click on the monitor screen, then click Main Menu. Enter the password when prompted, then click OK to log in. After logging in, click on the Network menu. Now, you can see that the IP address has changed, and it is now obtaining an IP address automatically from the router. Next, please go to the InstaOn Cloud menu. Now, the InstaOn Cloud status is connected. Then, you can try to access it on your smartphone. Please click OK, select the device, and click Start Live Preview. Now, you have successfully regained access to your CCTV camera. That's it. How to solve InstaOn Cloud CP Plus offline. We hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.